Hello, good day. So this is my portfolio on project management. So I have here my Trello.com and this is my list for today. And this is my task for this day. I have to add some card, some project management. So card. So this one is for my task management, and the next one is you have to add some cards. Collaboration with team members. That's good. So this day I have to add some descriptions for the project management. I have to mark them incomplete, then close it. Task management also is incomplete, so you'll just put some description on that one, on what is your task management. Okay, and here you will put this week. Okay, then if it's not so priority, just put it on later. So that's my Trello account for using it. Okay, the next one is my Slack. So this is my Slack application. So this is to my search marketplace, like just put some, address them to anybody when you message. Then search marketplace, you have to put some message on them. Hi, this will be your new market partners. Okay, so that's it. And some canvas on it, so you have to add some channels, create a new channel for them, and help them request some feedback, team support, shared sources, canvases, team search. That create again. That's it. So you have to add some people. For example, my other email address, like that. This is for example only. Gmail.com. So I have to invite my other email here, and I will invite them. Okay, done. So the next one is my project management on my Asana. So here's my Asana. I've just already put some to-do list for this group. So I have to put some medium, have to on track. It's not so high, but medium or high. And then on track, put some on track on it. Yeah, you can also change the colors if you want. So you have to add some projects like this blank project. Put some do you call that one, performance appraisal. Then you have to create some project for the performance appraisal. Task name, key result area, assignee, So put some due date on that one. It will be on due date on August 28th. Then you add field people, signer, field title, clear field, then countable field title. This is KRA, create field. Okay. Okay, so you add some task again. You want to put some another name for your appraisal. So that's it. Thank you.